Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trains. Today we're doing another freight car, and we're going to be building this CSX Coke Express hopper car. And this is an extra height hopper car. As you can see, it's taller than the boxcar next to it here. And this is what it looks like. So let's get right into our build now. So as usual, we'll start off with the coupler, so take a dark oak stair out, and we'll attach that up on the second layer. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then we'll do our wheels on the next block forward and down, and we're going to put a stripped dark oak log on each rail, making sure the pattern goes sideways. And then in the middle, we'll put an end rod axle. Then in front of that, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 upside down dark oak stairs and a back-to-back T-shape. Then in front of that, we need another pair of stripped dark oak logs on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to open 2 spruce fence gates on the side of the stairs on each side. Then on the top middle, we're going to put 4 black concrete up here. And then we're going to continue this line down the top middle, another 20 blocks. So 20 blocks past those inner wheels. So it's a total length of 24, but 20 past the wheels. Then, on the next block forward on bottom, we'll do another set of stripped dark oak log wheels with an end rod axle. Then behind that, we'll do 2 rows of 3 upside down dark oak stairs in a back-to-back T-shape, and then another set of stripped dark oak log wheels with an end rod axle. Then open 2 spruce fence gates on the side of these stairs and 2 on this side. Then add 4 more black concrete on this top middle. And then we do the coupler at this end, so stack up a dark oak stair onto this concrete block. And then under this one, we'll also put a sideways dark oak fence gate under here. Now we'll come through and put a hopper on the side of all 4 of these wheels. And then same thing at this end, put a hopper on the side of all 4 of the wheels down here. Then we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And same thing on this side. Then repeat the process at this other end. Crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And then same thing over on this side. Then we're going to cup on this top outer edge and align with this inner wheel. And we're going to take polished blackstone brick slabs here. This top outer edge, we're going to put a 2x2 of slabs right here, and then 2 coming this way to the end. Repeat the pattern on this side, so a 2x2, then 2 right here. On this end gap, put a dark oak trapdoor here and here. Then we repeat at this end. So right here, a 2x2 of slabs, and a 2x2 on this side. Then 2 coming to the end here, and then 2 over here. Then put a dark oak trapdoor here and here. Then next to these slabs right here, 2 upside down black stone brick stairs facing the end of the car on either side. Then a 2x2 of black concrete on this layer on each side. And finally, 2 upside down stairs going this way on either side of this. Then repeat at this end. So right here, 2 upside down stairs going into the end of the car, here and here. Then a 2x2 of black concrete on either side. Then 2 upside down stairs going this way here and here. Then in front of this, on this top outer edge, we're going to go back to our polished blackstone brick slabs, and we're going to do 2 rows of 4 right here. And then same thing on this side. Then we'll come over to this end and do 2 rows of 4 right here, and 2 rows of 4 right here. Then on the center of this, put a 2x2 of black concrete on either side. Then in this gap, 2 upside down stairs going this way, here and here, and 2 upside down stairs going this way, here and here. Then we're going to come underneath this where this black concrete is and put 2 rows of 5 upside down black stone brick stairs in a back-to-back T-shape so it makes a point under here. And then we'll repeat for this middle one, so 2 rows of 5 in a back-to-back T-shape pattern. And then 1 more bay to go. Do the same thing on the black concrete here, 2 rows of 5 stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shape. Then we're going to come on this second layer with a wither skeleton skull and put 1 here, here, right there, and here. Then we're going to put a dark oak fence gate here, here, and here. And we'll repeat on this side. So wither skeleton skull here, here, and here. Then a dark oak fence gate here, here, and here. Then we're going to come on top on the 3rd block in from the end right here and do 2 rows of 5 black concrete across this. And same thing on this end, on the 3rd block in, 2 rows of 5 black concrete across this. And then we'll fill this whole side in, 2 blocks tall with black concrete here. And I'm trying to do it so you can actually see it on the video. And then same thing on this side, we're going to do 2 rows of 5 black concrete all down this side. And then once we have that, we're going to come out here on the top and put 5 upside down black stone brick stairs here. And then on this end, 5 upside down stairs facing this way. Then we'll do 5 black concrete across the stairs here. And we're just going to come all the way down the side with a single layer of black concrete. And then we'll come right across these stairs and all the way back up this side with black concrete. Then it's going to step out again, so we're going to put another 5 upside down stairs here. And then repeat on this end, another 5 upside down black stone brick stairs here. Then we're going to come on top of this with our black concrete again. And right here, we're going to do 3 rows of 5 black concrete on top of this. So 5 by 3. And then we're just going to fill this whole side in up here, 3 blocks tall with black concrete all the way down to the other end. And then of course, we're going to come right across these stairs, 3 blocks tall with it. And it's really hard to see here, but we're doing the same thing on this side. 3 blocks tall with black concrete going end to end across the top of this side here. And then once we have that, we're going to switch over to black stone brick slabs. And we're just going to go all the way around the top outside edge of the car with a single layer of polished black stone brick slabs. Right down to here, then across this end, and then all the way back up this side here. Just like that. Then we're going to come down on the end here, under these stairs. And we're going to put a 2 by 2 of dark oak fences on this side, and a 2 by 2 on this side. Then right here on this left-hand side, we're going to do a column of dark oak fence gates coming up for a ladder up to the top here. Then wrap around this corner only and do another column of fence gates coming up for a ladder here. Then we'll repeat that at the other end. So come down here, do a 2 by 2 of dark oak fences on this side, and a 2 by 2 of dark oak fences on this side. The same as before on this left-hand side, a column of dark oak fence gates up to the top. And then around this corner, a column of dark oak fence gates up to the top right here for our ladder. Then we're going to come in here on one end and put a sideways grindstone down in here for the brake cylinder. Then on the top of these fences in the middle, we're going to put a sideways lightning rod here. And then up on this left-hand side, close a trapdoor right here for the brake wheel. Then we'll come down to the other end On this end, we're just going to put one sideways lightning rod in here. And now we're going to come on top of the end for some detailing. We're going to come up here and we're going to place an oak sign here, 2 oak buttons down here, and then one next to the sign here. And we need to repeat that on the other end. So we need a button in the middle, an oak sign here, and 2 buttons down here. Then we're going to swing around on the side on the left bottom corner here. And we're going to take our oak side and we're going to put 1 oak sign right here. Then above this, 4 oak buttons. Then we're going to knock out these 2 blocks above the buttons and put in 2 yellow concrete. Then we're going to add 1 more oak sign right here. Then on this top left corner, we're going to put a single mangrove sign up here. Then we'll repeat for the other side. So we're going to come on this bottom left-hand corner of this side, put an oak sign here, then 4 oak buttons above it, and an oak sign here. Then up on this top left corner, a mangrove sign here. Then we're going to come above where these buttons are, knock out these 2 blocks, and put in 2 yellow concrete. Now we're going to go back to our oak sign, and we're going to come over above this middle bay here, put an oak sign right here, skip 1 block up and 1 right here. Repeat it on this side, so come over here, put an oak sign here, skip 1 block up and an oak sign here. Then we'll move over to the bottom right corner, 1 block in from the end here, we're going to put a single oak sign right here. Skip a block over a sign, skip a block over and an oak button. And then of course repeat that on this side, so come down here 1 block over, oak sign here, skip a block oak sign, skip a block and a button. Now we're going to switch to black stained glass panes and we're going to come on this left hand side here. And we're going to come right here, put 1 under this button, then skip above the buttons and 4 here. Then 4 here. Then skip a block over, 4 here. Skip a block over in a full column from bottom to top. And we're just going to keep doing that with a block of space between each column. So keep skipping 1 block and do a full column of black stained glass panes. And it should line up with our sign placement, so the signs are in between here. Just keep repeating the process, skipping a block over. Then another column here, another column here, another column right here. So the side looks like that, and of course it's tedious, but we have to do it on the other side. So we'll come down to this end, do a column here, then 1 below this button, and a column above it, then a column above here, and repeat the whole process again. Just doing full columns of black stained glass panes on the side here with a block of space between each and every one. And if we placed everything correctly on this side, it should line up so all the signs and buttons are in between the columns of stained glass panes. Another column here, column here, and finally a column right here. Now we have to make some banners, so we're going to come in a loom with a black banner and yellow dye. Put a vertical on the left, a horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left and right, horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left and then both diagonals. New banner. Vertical on the left and a horizontal on the middle, the top, and the bottom. Then take a black banner and put a black border around all 4 of these. Then we'll come place these. So we're going to come up and we're going to be working on top in between the columns of stained glass panes here. And we're going to start right here and use the banners to put Coke on the left hand side. Then we'll come to the left hand side on this side and same thing, use the banners in between here to put the word Coke. Then we can clear some of these but keep the letter E, we still need it. And we'll come back into our loom with a black banner and yellow die again. And we're going to put a diagonal, then the opposite one. New banner. Top half yellow, vertical on the left. New banner. Diagonal, vertical on the left, top half yellow. New banner. Horizontal on the top and the bottom, and then this diagonal. Then go to black die and put a black border around the rest of these. And then we'll come and place these ones. So we're going to skip one block over from where it says Coke, and we'll still be on this top edge in between the stained glass panes, and we'll use these banners to put Express. And then same thing on this side. We'll leave an empty gap here, start here, and use the banners to put Express. Next, we're going to fill in the car here. So we're going to come on top and across here. We're going to fill it all in 3 wide with cobbled deep slate. You could also just use black stone block and slab for this for a more accurate color, but I'm using cobbled deep slate just to differentiate it so it stands out from the black of the car. And once we have that, we'll take cobbled deep slate slabs, do a T-shape here, come to this end, and do a T-shape here. Then we'll come down each side with a full row of slabs here, leaving the middle open. And then in the middle here, we're just going to put a full row of cobbled deep slate blocks so that our coal pile here looks uniformly filled. So it looks like that. And then there's a couple details I just remembered here. So we're going to need to get item frames, and we're going to put one here, here, and here. And same thing on this side, come under here and put one item frame here, here, and here. Then we come back into a loom with a black banner and yellow die. Vertical on the left, horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner. Horizontal on the top and bottom. Diagonal. New banner in both diagonals. Go to black die, put a black border around all 3 of these. Then a new black banner and white die, put a border on it, then a horizontal in the center, and then make the top half black. Then we'll place these. We're going to take this black and white one, that goes right here, and then on these item frames, use the banners to put CSX. Same thing on this side. CSX on these item frames, and then the black and white one right here. Now I got all the details on it. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our extra tall Coke Express CSX hopper car. I hope everyone enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.